Hello children, in our previous video lesson we are discussed properties of four numbers. Yes, already we know that there is a one property, closure property, commutative property, associativity of addition and multiplication, and distributivity of multiplication over addition, and identity property. These properties we are discussed in our previous classes. Okay, we are going to discuss or start directly your exercises. Okay, this is your exercise 2.2. this is your next exercise. Okay, now the first heading is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Here two examples are there, two questions are there, so one by one we will discuss. Okay, the first question is like this. Here three numbers are there, 837 plus 208 plus 363. Yes, in commonly we know that addition. Okay, three digit numbers are there, all three numbers are in three digit. Yes, we know that addition by horizontally or horizontally adding we know, but suitable rearrangement means we know that now we will take this first one and third one. Okay, this one and third one taking in the group. Okay, 837 plus 363 you can take in the bracket, and this 208 is there. No, this okay, you take outside. Then first of all you add these two numbers. Now I am adding this horizontally. Yes, ones place 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry, then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 again 10 carry 1, then 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12. So 1200 plus 208. The third number is 208. Now add these two numbers. Now again 0 plus 8 8, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4, then 1 plus, here 1000 plus 0 means 1 plus 0 is again 1. So this is the answer, 1408. Yes children, this is your second question. It is also in the first main only. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 3 4. There are four numbers are there. Yes, we want to find the sum of these four numbers by suitable rearrangements. Okay, we have to take some arrangements and doing the sum and finding the answer. Yes, in the first step what you do, take this first number and this third number in a group. You take in the group or take in the bracket 1962 and 1538. You take it in the one group. We can make 1 and 3 numbers in the group, first group it is called. Then we are taking this second number and fourth number, 453 plus 647. You take it in the second group. Now in the second step what you do, this and this number 1962 and 1538, you can add these two numbers by horizontally. Okay, yes, 2 plus 8 you learned in our previous class how to add horizontally. Yes, 2 plus 8 10 carry 1, then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 again 10 carry 1, 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. Okay, again carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So this is 1962 and 1538. The sum is 3500. So then we have to add these two numbers, 453 and 647. So 3 plus 7 is again 10 carry 1, then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10 carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6, what 5 plus 6 11. So 1100 is the answer of these two numbers, not this all sums. Now we can add these two numbers, we will get the total number sum, the sum of total number. Now 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 4. So my dear children, this is your answer, or this is the sum of these four numbers, 4600. In the second one, find the product by suitable rearrangement. Here I written the first question and second question. Okay, here the first question is 2 into 7, 1768 into 50. Okay, 2 is multiplied by 1768 and is multiplied by 50. So my dear children, in the second step what we will do, take first this 2 and 50 in the group. 2 and 50, these are the smallest numbers, no? So you can multiply first of all 2 into 50, then you take this second number outside, 1768. Then the second step you can multiply this 2 and 50. 250 is how much? 100. So into 1768. My dear children, you know the multiplication sums. In the previous classes you learned multiply by 10, multiply by 100, multiply by 1000. If you multiply by 100 to any number, so first of all what you do, you keep this same number 1768, keep as it is. After 2 zeros are there, you write 2 zeros in front of 1768. Now put the commas, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and it is a lakh. So 1,76,800 is the product of these three numbers, 2 into 1768 into 50. Now I will move to the second question. Yes, here 4 is multiplied by 166 and we don't know that product, and that product we will multiply by 25, but we want to take by suitable rearrangement. I am taking one rearrangement here. Now what I am doing here, I am writing this first number and this third number 4 and 25 I am taking in the group, and this second number is 166 you take outside. First of all you have to multiply this 4 and 25. So my dear children, 4 25s are how much? Or 25 4s are. If you don't know the table means we can multiply by single digit. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 25 4s is also 100. Then whatever the number is there here outside, 166. Multiply this 166 ones are 166 and remaining 2 zeros you keep as it is. Now this becomes 16,600. So this is your product, your second question product. Okay, understood? Now I will go to your third question. See children, here your C question is like this: 8 into 291 into 125. There are three numbers are there. Now in the first step what you do, take this first number and this third number in the group. Okay, now I will arrange like this: 8 into 125 and this second number is 291 I am taking in outside. Okay, I will take outside. Then first of all I will multiply this 125 and 8. Yes, 8 5s are 8 and 5 multiply. 8 5s are 8 2s are and 8 1s are. Like this you can multiply. Yes, now we will get 185 8s are 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, then 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 what? 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry on 100 space, then 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 1000, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 180, 125 8s are 1000. Correct now? Then we will multiply by this 291. Yes children. Now this is what it is. This is the product of 8 into 125. Then the second number is here 291. First of all 291 ones are 291 and how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. You put 3 zeros in front of 291. Is it correct? Okay, now it is correct. So my dear children, 2,91,000 is the product of these three numbers, 8 into 291 into 125. It is your third question is over. Next D question is telling that 625 is multiplied by 279 is multiplied by 16. First of all, what you do children, this first number and this third number you can take in the group, or first you have to multiply these two numbers and then with the help of that product you can multiply to this 279. Okay, tell me 16 table, you know that? Okay, now I will multiply by 16 table. 16 5s are 80, 8 carry on 2, then 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 8 40, so carry on hundreds place, then again 16 6 are 96, 96 plus 4 it becomes again a 1000. So 1000 is multiplied by 279. So what is this 1000? This is the product of this 625 and 16. Now another one number is there now outside that 279. Multiply it. So 279 is 279, and 279 after how many zeros are there in front of 1? 3 zeros are there. You put 3 zeros. Okay. Now this becomes a 2,79,000. Yes children, this is your question E 285 into 5 into 60. Suppose first of all you can take this 285, keep as it is. First you multiply these two numbers, 5 into 60. 5 6 are how much? 5 6 are 30, 5 zeros are 0. So this becomes the product of 5 and 60 is 300. Then you can multiply this one. Here 285 is there, here 3 is there. First of all multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry on 10 space, then 3 8s are 24, correct now? 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 2 carry, then 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. Now after how many zeros are there, you keep as it is. So it becomes 85,500. Okay. Now here also 4 numbers are there, 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. First of all you can rearrange this question like this. Okay, 125 is the first number. Now you take this one first number and this third number. This third number is this you can take together and take this second number and this fourth number together. 40 into 25 you take together, that is your second group. This is the 125 into 8. First of all you have to multiply in the second step. Yes, already in our previous question we have multiplied this 125 8 we get 1000 into 25 into 40 means 25 zeros are 0, 25 fours are 100. My dear children, here 1000 is there, here 1 is there, 100 is there in the third step, in the second step. Now in the third step I am writing 1000 ones are how much? 1000 ones are 1000 only. After how many zeros are there, you keep 2 zeros as it is, or else you can do like this also. 1 ones are how much? 1 ones are 1, you write, then 1000 in front of 3 zeros are there and 100 in front of 2 zeros are there. So 3 plus 2 zeros, 5 zeros you can write in front of this 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is your answer. What it is? It is your 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the answer of this F question. Understand? Okay, now we are going to the third main. Yes children, this is your third main. Find the value of the following. Okay, yes, the first question A is like this: 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Yes, what you do? First of all, you can take here 297 common. You take common because both side 297 is there. Into you take 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3. So my dear children, in the second step it becomes 297 into 17 plus 3 is 20. Okay. Then in the third step you can multiply these two. Okay. Now this 2 7s are 14. 1 carry on 9. Then 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. Carry 1. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then how many 2 after how many zeros? Only 1 zero is there. So this is the answer for this first A question. Okay, 5940. Is it right? Now I'll go to your B question. Yes children, your B question is here 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Yes, in the both side 54,279 is common. So what you do? 54,279 you take as common. Take it as common. Then multiply by 92 plus 8. You take in the group. Okay, you have to add this 92 plus 8. Okay, now 54,279 write as it is. Then into add these two numbers. 92 plus 8 is 100. Correct? 92 plus 8 is 100. Then in the third step you can multiply this 100 into 54,279. So 54,279 ones are 54,279. 1 after how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. You write 2 zeros in front of this 54,279. Then you can read this number. Totally it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. So it can be read as what? 54,27,900 is the answer of this B question. Understand? Okay. Yes children, this is your C question in the third main. Okay. Yes, first of all you can read this question. 81,265 is multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 is multiplied by 69. Okay. Now here it is subtraction. No, here this is minus means subtract. Now in the LHS side means left side to 81,265 is there, and in the right side also 81,000 is there. So now in the second step you can take this 81,265 as common and is multiplied by now this 169 and 69. 169 and 69 you can subtract them because here subtraction sign is there. That's why again 81,265 write as it is. And what is the difference of this 169 minus 69? This is 100. In the 169 we will subtract 69 means we will get 100. Then multiply these two numbers. 81,265 ones are 85. 81,265 ones are 81,265. Then after how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. You write 2 zeros in front of this number. Then it is the answer. Okay. You write this is 81 lakh 26,500. This is your C question answer. Understood? Now we will go to your D question. Yes children, this is your C question. Is 81,265 is multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 multiplied by 69. Yes, both side this one is common, 81,265. So in the second step I will take this 81,265 common. Then if I take this common means what we are getting here in the left side, we are getting 165 minus this already we are taken as common. Then you write 69 is the, we are subtracting 169 minus 69. Then in the second step 81,265 write as it is, subtract these two numbers, 169 minus 69 is equal to 100. Correct? 9 minus 9 0, 6 minus 6 0, here 0 minus 1 or 1 minus 0. 0 minus 1 is possible? No. Yes, my dear children. 9 minus 9 0, 6 minus 6 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. That's why it is 169 minus 69 is 100. Then what you do? Multiply this 81,265 into 100. We will get 81,265 ones are 81,265 as it is, you write. Then 1 after how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. You write 2 zeros in front of this number. Then you may get this number. Okay, this number is read as 81,26,500 is the answer of this question. Okay, understand? Then we will move to division. Here 3,845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782. This is the first part. It is a LHS part, left side part, and this is one part. 769 into 25 into 218. 3,845 into 5 into 782. Keep as it is. Don't disturb this part. Now I'll write this 769 as it is into this 25 is there. No? I'll write this 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25 and write this 218 as it is. Next, in the second step, 3,845 into 5 into 782, okay, plus you can take this 5 nines are, multiply these two numbers, 769 and 5. 5 nines are 45, 4 carry, then 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 3 carry on 7, then again 5 7 are multiply, 5 7 are 35, 35 plus 3, 38. So what we will get? We will get this same number. Then 5, keep right as it is, because this 5 into 218. In the next third step, here this is common. Have you observed this? This is common. That's why I will write this 3,845 into 5. Okay, into 5. This is common into 782 here into 218. Now children, here this is multiplication. 5 5s are what? 25 plus 3,845. What it is? If you multiply 769 into 5, we will get this number 3,845. Then into 5 into 218. Then in the left side and right side, this 3,845 into 5 is common. 3,845 into 5, right as it is. Then into 782 plus 218. You take it in the group. Okay, this one, this 782 and 218 we are written in the group addition. We have to add these two numbers, and this we will multiply this number in the fourth step. Then tell me, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, then 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 2 carry on hundreds place, then 8 into 5 or 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 42, then again carry on thousands place, then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 119, so sorry 19 only, so 19,225. what it is? This is the product of 3,845 and 5. Then multiply by, add these two numbers, 782 plus 280 18, so 2 plus 8 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 again carry 0, 1 here carry, then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. So my dear, 782 plus 218, if we add these two numbers means we get 1000. Then multiply these two numbers. Yes, 19,225 ones are 19,225 only. Then after 1, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. We can write 3 zeros in front of 19,225. Yes, now this is your answer. This can be read as 1,92,25,000 is the answer for this question. Okay, very important. Practice this.